G'day, I'm Brett from 4x4 Obsession. Today I'm going to speak to you about the importance of servicing your four-wheel drive and ensuring that you get your four-wheel drive serviced by a qualified and reputable four-wheel drive shop. Most problems that occur with four-wheel drives are due to lack of maintenance or just haven't been picked up during a service. A good four-wheel drive workshop will identify upcoming problems during the service and be able to advise you on how and when they need to be repaired or addressed. They'll have the experience to know what to look for, what parts of the car to look for, and identify what is or isn't going to fail. The other thing with regular servicing is it becomes a cost spread out over time rather than ending up with a big bill at one time. It also allows us to know the vehicle, to understand your needs for the vehicle, what you use the vehicle for, and be able to properly advise you on what your maintenance should be. On the other hand, it also stops over-servicing and over-maintaining things. A lot of people just pick up a workshop manual or pick up the owner's handbook and read, and it says that you must do this. It's not always the way. We tend to rather test things and use our knowledge and our experience to know what needs to be replaced and when it needs to be replaced. So again, when it comes to your vehicle, choose a four-wheel drive shop that you can trust and that you can work well with. Allow them to build up a history on your vehicle. They'll be able to advise you the right way to maintain your vehicle, what to look for, give you a schedule of what needs to be done in the future, and keep you pretty much trouble-free driving and four-wheel driving. I'm Brett from 4x4 Obsession. Thanks for watching.